Welcome, beautiful one. Today's affirmation is a gentle yet powerful reminder that no matter what life throws your way, you are born to soar. As you listen, allow each word to uplift your spirit, renew your mind, and reignite your belief in the greatness within you. Speak these truths over yourself and step boldly into the new day, confident, inspired, and unstoppable. Confident, inspired, and unstoppable. Today, I rise confidently, ready to rebuild and grow, embracing life experiences as opportunities for personal development. I encourage and inspire myself and others, knowing that my wings are evolving. I am born to soar. I am determined to surpass my limitations and cultivate fresh, positive perspectives. I reject lies spoken over my life and embrace the truth. I am wonderfully and beautifully created. I am a masterpiece. I am more than a conqueror. I am born for greatness. If this resonated with you, please like, comment, or subscribe so you never miss another affirmation.